Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. This is a 1998 Hawk 2-horse straight load bumper pull. Don't let age scare you. This trailer is an immaculate shape and is solid built. It is a steel frame, aluminum skin, fiberglass roof. This trailer is silver in color with the black highlights, I guess. They've got the black top rail and black graphics. It has 2 full escape doors. Try to get a good view. I've got it backed in here with several other trailers. It does have sliders on the rear, slider also on the escape door. Got a couple of little nicks on it. I'll kind of point those out. You'll kind of see one right here, place right there. They're minimal for its age. It is an immaculate shape in my opinion. It's got the ramp with Dutch doors. All that's in great shape. It's got 2 fans. It's got a light, roof vents. As I said, sliders on the rear, sliders on the windows, the escape door windows. A couple of things about the interior. All the padding's in good shape. There's no tears. There's a little bit of, like, I guess, just wear and tear on that. Not tears or anything. It's just the age probably. The mats have got a little bit of wear on them, but I mean, they still work. It does have the window into the dressing room. It does have the head divider as well. Kind of do that expanded. Okay, I'm gonna try to turn back around. Heading back out. As I said, it's got the ramp with Dutch doors. All that works properly. Spare tire. It does have a dressing room. The dressing room does have bridle hooks, 2 saddle racks, and as I said, it does have the window to the horse box, and it also has windows in the nose. All right, cosmetically, like I said, a couple more things I'll show you. It's got a couple speckling here. It's got 1 dent here. A couple places where the graphic has come off. But again, very minimal for its age. It's in excellent shape. 7'6" tall, 6'6" wide. So 2-horse straight load, 1998 Hawk. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. My name is Ashley.